Hello, let's come out to share our new models TW10. This is 2-in-1 product. TW's earphone with the 10,000 fast charge mobile phone. This is the colorable package. Now, let us open it. This is the product and the package. USB wires and the professional use manual. All is English. Very detailed use manual. Okay, right now let us see this TW10, and this is the LED display to show the capacity, and this is fast function change and Type-C port, micro port. Look. Right, this is the TW's earphone. This is the touch control. Let us connect this wireless Bluetooth earphone right now. Connect this my mobile phone. Pick up. It saw the TW10. Connect this. Look, the Bluetooth earphone. Very comfortable. This is touch controlled, and one tap it can start and start, just tap it again. Then now let's test the mobile phone charger. This is Type-C because my phone is Type-C port. Oh, sorry. This is in charge. Can you see? In charge. And contact the Bluetooth.